Okay, so we go to the copper and its alloy. So, properties of unalloyed copper is soft, ductile, difficult to machine, and highly resistant to corrosion. The mechanical and corrosion resistant properties have been improved by alloying. Most coppers and alloy. The first one is brass. Brass is a combination of copper and zinc as predominant alloying element. In this combination, the amount of zinc may be up to 35%. Okay, so we go to the application of brass. We have costume jewelry, automotive radiator, musical instrument, and electronic packaging and coins. Next, we go to the bronze. Bronze is combination of copper and stannum. Or maybe we have the combination with aluminium, silicon, and nickel. Bronze is stronger than brass and high corrosion resistant. The application of bronze is bearing, gear, spring, and clutch disc.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rashdan and I will explain about aluminium and its alloy. For the material property from aluminium, the aluminium have high electrical and temperature conductivity. It also good in corrosion resistant. The aluminium have high ductility but he have low density. We can refer it from period table. The limitation from the aluminium is the aluminium have low melting temperature. It's 660 degrees Celsius. We have restrict the maximum temperature at which it can be used. In alloying, enhance the mechanical strength of pure aluminium. Aluminium can be alloyed with cuprum, magnesium, silicon, mangan, and zinc. The application from the aluminium and its alloy we can see at food chemical storage, cooking utensil, automotive part, and aircraft structure and each.
Assalamualaikum. So I will be presenting for the magnesium and its alloys. So for the mechanical properties, the material has lowest density compared to all structured metals as we are referring to the periodic table. It has also low melting temperature which is around 651 degrees Celsius. It is also poor corrosion resistance, and when we are alloying, we will enhance the mechanical properties. So the elements that contain in the alloy are aluminium, zinc, and mangan. So for the applications, we usually will use the material in making the handheld devices such as chainsaws, power tools, and so on. We will also use the material in making the automobile parts such as steering wheels and seat frames. Lastly, we use the materials in making the audio, video, computer, and communications equipment such as laptop computers, TV sets, and cellular phones. So one fact that we have to know is the magnesium metal will burn with a very bright light.
Assalamualaikum. For titanium and its alloy, there is some properties which is uh, titanium have low density, referring to periodic table, and then it have high melting point, which is 1668 degrees Celsius. It also have high strength, high ductile, and it easily to machine. It also have properties which is a high corrosion resistant, and its alloying elements is aluminium, zinc, vanadium, molybdenum, stannum, and ferrum. And titanium is used in applications of airplane structure, which is the body of uh, plane, airplane, and then it's also used in space vehicles, rockets, surgical implants, medical application, and also used in the petroleum and chemical industries. Okay, that's all for me.